Mr. Teixeira, I'm extending a personal apology to you for the response to your call in 2009 and your subsequent efforts to bring attention to that response. I have been informed there were no records responsive to your public records request. Recently, I personally asked the city attorney and the chief of police whether there were any tapes of the call you made to complain about the incident in your neighborhood in December of 2009. Chief Seabrooks was unaware but committed to research the issue. She later communicated to me that tape conversations did exist but had not been released pursuant to your request. When that was accomplished, Chief Seabrooks left on vacation this last week. I tasked Acting Chief Franorata with reviewing the recordings and conducting a fresh look at how the response you complained about comported with the best policies, practices, and procedures of the Inglewood Police Department. Acting Chief Franorata did so, and opined that the officers that conversed telephonically with you in 2009 did not give you the service you deserved. Two of the officers you spoke with had less than 2 years of service in police work. Franorata opined that more time was spent attempting to dissuade you from pursuing your complaint than was spent seeking to provide you with a police response to conduct a thorough, efficient, and effective investigation of your complaint. There will be no way to ever know if this was just a shots fired call or a drive-by at this point, because the two gentlemen that you spoke of, it seems that they've moved. We sent people out to try and locate them. I cannot understand why no one in the PD that spoke with you about your complaint did not simply pull these tapes, review the conversations, and resolve the matter for you. If anyone did, they should have provided the information to me when I inquired in reference to your complaint. There's also a question as to why there was not more follow-up with you when you provided the shell casings that you found. I do not understand why I had to ask directly about whether recordings existed of your contact with the police department, or why the city's attorney's office did not discover, was not provided, or failed to communicate the existence of these tapes. While the long passage of time contributed to confusion in this matter, it doesn't excuse the delay. I'm asking the city attorney to conduct an investigation of your Public Records Act request and why the response was deemed no responsive records. There are only two reasons that I know for these tapes to be withheld. One would be that they were evidence in an ongoing criminal investigation. That's obviously not the case. The second would be that they were evidence in an internal police investigation. In conclusion, you were right, and I can apologize to you. I intend to understand why it took so long for this information to be provided. The officers involved will be debriefed and trained regarding the responses to you. Chief Franorata has been attempting to make contact with you to further discuss the issue.